Right lane. How come I ain't running my car? Cause I don't want to be in line. I just be chilling. And I ain't finna race nobody for no money. I just be chilling. But I will put it out there. I just don't like being in no line and waiting and having to move the car. All right now. We got a Chevy big block with a Brian Tooley. That's right, guys. Brian Tooley. Do you know Limpy? Hey. Hey. Do you know Limpy?
Yeah. The bar guy with the flashlight.
Yeah. Hey, y'all on my YouTube channel? It's called Lookout Racing.
Lookout Racing?
Yeah, it's going down like James Brown. Yeah, he finna check it out, y'all. Lookout Racing, man. Make sure y'all delay through Theo. Suscríbete a mi canal. Dale me gusta. And notifications es todo.
Órale, ya dijo.
Okay, he on there, y'all. Y'all heard him. Okay, full pad. Y'all hear Pedro over here cackling. Look at him. Ooh. Sound like they got the idol on this mug, right? Uh-oh, excuse me. What y'all saying? Full pads or no full pads, y'all? This his second pad. Uh-oh, shout out. Who is that? Somebody in jail watching? Okay, somebody shout out. Somebody from the federal prison. He in there watching. He got a phone. Okay, come on out of that water. Okay. He got it sounding good. Yeah, he sold it. Yeah. I say. Yeah, let me see something. He doing good. He doing good. Yeah, he supposed to run Chris. Yeah, where you been?
That Mustang.
Yeah.
I want that Mustang.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he done got way better. I thought he was finna ship early, but he shipped on time.
It was a good race for that Mustang and Blackjack.
Okay, they want Blackjack wants you, Pedro.
Hey, it's
What size you got?
right here.
Okay, yeah. This side, this time. We got Walmart. Oh, look how crooked he done got. We got Walmart security in the building, y'all. Panther Pitt said he appreciate me. Do I accept donations? Of course, yeah. My cash app is Lookout Racing. Yeah, where Cole Waltz at? He usually put that in there. Yeah, it's Lookout Racing My PayPal and everything else is 214-514-9545. Yeah. Oh, Happy in here too. Right lane for the win, y'all. Nah, he didn't jump. He just cut a real good light. I got Venmo too. I got Venmo, PayPal, everything under the same number. Apple Pay, everything. I got every platform of digital money action. Bitcoin, Ethereum. I accept it all. Nah. Appreciate it, the 10, Burt Gummer, man. Oh shit, he jumped out there. Damn, that bitch there ain't playing. I can't fuck with him. Ooh, that bitch nasty. That Tesla's getting out of that hole. Didn't it? Boy, that thing there. Yeah, I can't run him. Let me see. Okay, where y'all been at on this one? Look at if y'all wanna